Replacing windows in your home is a significant investment, and choosing the right company to handle the project is just as important. If you live in Auburn Hills, Michigan, opting for a local window replacement service brings distinct advantages. From personalized attention to quicker response times, here's why hiring a local service is the smartest choice for your home improvement needs. Understanding the local climate. Auburn Hills experiences all 4 seasons, with cold, snowy winters and warm, humid summers. The local climate plays a huge role in determining the best materials and techniques for window replacement. Local contractors understand the unique weather conditions in the area and can recommend windows that provide optimal insulation and energy efficiency. They are also well-versed in installing windows that can withstand Michigan's unpredictable weather, ensuring long-lasting performance. Personalized customer service. One of the biggest advantages of hiring a local window replacement service is the level of personal attention you'll receive. Unlike national chains, local companies often prioritize building strong relationships within the community. From the first consultation to post-installation follow-ups, you'll have direct communication with a team that values your satisfaction. Local contractors take the time to understand your specific needs, helping you choose windows that fit your home's style and your budget. Knowledge of local building code. Window installation must comply with local building codes and regulations to ensure safety and compliance. A local window replacement service in Auburn Hills will be familiar with these codes and can guarantee that your project meets all legal requirements. This knowledge not only saves you time but also ensures your investment is protected from potential fines or issues during future home inspections. Supporting the local economy. When you hire a local service, you're directly contributing to the Auburn Hills economy. Small businesses are the backbone of the community, and by choosing a local contractor, you help create jobs and promote economic growth. Many local companies also source materials from nearby suppliers, further boosting the regional economy. Plus, it feels good to know that your project benefits your neighbors and strengthens the community. Faster response time. Imagine noticing a crack in your window right before winter hits or dealing with a window that won't close properly during a storm. When you work with a local service, you can count on faster response times for repairs and replacements. Local contractors are nearby and can often accommodate urgent requests much quicker than out-of-town companies. This reliability is especially important in situations where immediate attention is needed to protect your home and family. Local reputation. You can trust. Reputation matters, and local businesses are heavily invested in maintaining a positive image within the community. They rely on word-of-mouth recommendations, online reviews, and repeat business to thrive. As a result, local window replacement companies are more likely to go the extra mile to ensure your satisfaction. You can easily ask neighbors or friends in Auburn Hills for recommendations or read reviews to find a trusted provider with a proven track record. Cost-effective solution. While national companies might seem like they offer better deals, local window replacement services can often provide more cost-effective solutions. Local contractors have fewer overhead costs compared to large corporations, and they pass those savings on to you. Additionally, they can recommend energy-efficient windows tailored to Auburn Hills climate, helping you save on utility bills in the long run. Commitment to quality workmanship. Local window replacement services often take great pride in their craftsmanship. They know their work represents their brand in the community, so they're committed to delivering high-quality results. Many local contractors offer warranties on both their products and services, giving you peace of mind that the job will be done right the first time. Familiarity with local architecture. Auburn Hills boasts a mix of architectural styles, from traditional homes to modern designs. Local contractors understand the nuances of the area's housing styles and can recommend window options that complement your home's unique aesthetic. This expertise ensures a seamless blend of functionality and curb appeal. Conclusion: choosing local for peace of mind. When it comes to window replacement, hiring a local service in Auburn Hills is a smart decision that offers numerous benefits. From personalized attention and quicker service to supporting the local economy and ensuring compliance with building codes, a local contractor is uniquely positioned to meet your needs. For a smooth, hassle-free experience and high-quality results, trust the experts right in your community to enhance the beauty, efficiency, and comfort of your home.